Alright, we are live.
Hey guys!
Hey.
Have you all
Okay.
today?
Come, you have to come this side.
Yeah. Head up.
Hey guys, we can't see, so we are trying to.
Hey Karan!
Karan, right here.
Have you all
Guys,
today?
reduce the volume in the next room. We can hear you
Okay.
guys. Okay. Hey everybody, this is Suresh.
This is Bhavna. And today is day 2 of Dailyscopes.
Periscope.
So who was there
Yeah.
yesterday?
How many of you were there yesterday? Give us some comments or.
Yeah, please give us some comments who were there yesterday. And if you've seen yesterday's scope, any questions, any suggestions? Okay.
Alright,
so
guys.
nobody from
Nobody.
yesterday.
Okay.
Anyways, if you join in, give us comments and tell us how you thought yesterday was, or probably if you had any questions regarding yesterday's session.
And we are also seeing.
And yeah, we're already also
So
seeing here.
we can't see from here. So we are. Alright, here.
Okay. So
Alright, who's joined? No.
Chinako,
No. Where are you
where
from?
are you from?
So I'm Bhavna, I'm thinking that most of them are not from India.
Yeah.
So I want to find out how many people are from India on a ratio of yesterday we had around 150 people
Yeah.
watching it. Now we want to know Puerto Rico. Okay, Puerto Rico. I don't know. Okay, so we want to find out how many people.
It's from Brazil.
Brazil.
Hi.
Okay, Brazil. Hi.
Tinoco from
Tino.
Brazil. Hi,
Okay, India.
Tinoco.
Saurabh from India. Okay, so we want to find out how many people are watching from various
So
places.
where you are from, comment and
Yes.
tell us where you are from.
So that we are going to customize it accordingly. The time and everything matters. So if you can help us. But today we are going to talk about Facebook.
Yeah.
All about Facebook.
All about
It's very
Facebook.
Interesting.
So all you Facebook lovers,
Okay.
you better don't miss this.
Yes. So we are again. This is day 2, and still we are learning a lot of things. We tried yesterday to show the Mac. It did not work. So again, we are trying and learning every day. Right?
So if you think something is not working out and you have some suggestions,
Please.
we are open to it. So give us suggestions.
Ask Devo. Hi.
Hi, Spiker.
Hi, Spager.
Hi.
Welcome. What is that?
Hare Baba. So where are you from?
Gunao, welcome. Okay, we are just going to take a couple of minutes so that everybody can tune in, and then we're going to
Then we
get
start
right into
with
it.
Facebook.
Okay. USA, Harlem, New York, USA, Kanki Party, welcome. Where are you from? Okay, before we continue, there are a lot. Basically, I'm a cook, right? So I used to be a chef. So I'm going to give you some recipes as well. How does that
Wow.
sound? Hello from Mexico.
For a temple cook like me, I think this is going to help.
Okay. So one simple thing. Do you like fish?
I love fish.
Okay. So I'll give
Who
one
does love fish?
simple recipe for fish.
Good evening, Kishore. Good evening.
Hi Kishore, it's been a long time. Only yesterday I came to know that was this Kishore because I know Kishore.
Okay.
So welcome. Hey, by the way, please do share. If you think it is going to be useful, please swipe right. Can you show it to them?
Swipe. This is how
Yeah,
you
like that.
swipe right.
Here.
Okay, yeah. Sorry about that.
Swipe right,
Right.
and you go up and share.
Share. So you
Okay.
can share this to your friends, family, whoever you want
Please do.
just to watch. Please share. And yeah, keep tapping and giving us those hearts.
Yes. Okay. So for those who like fish,
Yeah, I love those hearts.
Thank you, thank you,
guys.
Fish. How many of you love grilled fish? Do you like grilled fish? Okay.
Yeah.
So you can take any fish you want. No, but this one would be sear fish would be excellent. This is something in food. So simple recipe: sear fish and salt, marinated with salt,
Okay.
turmeric,
Okay.
chili powder,
Chili powder. So.
with a little bit of lemon juice.
Okay.
Marinate it in for 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. and then don't deep fry it, shallow fry it in the tawa, in a pan. Just shallow fry it for maybe for 5 to 10 minutes, depending upon the color and the grill. You can grill it as well. So that's my quick
recipe.
South Indian fish
grilled
fry.
fish.
Fish fry. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm sure it's very useful for people who don't know to cook, like me. So
Okay.
yeah,
So who's that? Okay.
we have sweet.
So see, now we can ban as well people if we see some little. How many of you know how to ban somebody?
So are you telling if somebody is spamming? You block
Spamming.
somebody?
Yes.
Okay. How?
So now you click on that profile if
Okay.
anybody is there.
Okay.
So you click on that profile. You see reply,
Okay.
view, and then block user.
So you can block.
Anybody can block. It's not necessarily we have to block it. You can block it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Hello.
Hello, Pritish.
All right. So quickly, we're going to talk about. See, we can't see. I'm not able to see. Hello. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Holy. What is that? Okay. All right, guys. Facebook. Facebook for business. That's what we're going to talk about.
Yeah.
Now.
So how to use
Facebook.
Facebook effectively for business?
Correct.
That is what we're talking about.
Yes.
Okay.
So I want to give a little bit idea about where Facebook came from. I mean, just like Google PageRank and algorithms for search engines, Facebook has got its own algorithm. It used to be EdgeRank.
EdgeRank. Okay.
EDG, Edge.
Like we have
rank.
EdgeRank.
Yes.
Facebook had EdgeRank.
Okay, right. So EdgeRank was kind of the algorithm behind it. It depends upon how many people share, how often you share, and all those things. But now it has completely changed a little bit.
Okay.
But why? Why?
Because people change.
Okay. Well, there are a couple of reasons for. If you see Facebook, you can see a couple of changes. Not a couple of changes. Quite often they change, but there is a reason for it. What could be the reason? What could be the reason? Can you guess? Can anybody guess?
Can people comment and tell us
Why? Yeah.
why not just Facebook, why every platform keeps changing?
Exactly.
Why
Why?
this? One reason is obviously they want to keep getting better.
Correct. That's a clue to it. Yes.
Okay, that's a clue.
Yes. Okay. So, anybody wants to
Guess
answer?
why?
Good. Thank you. Thank you, Sejal.
Thank you, Sejal.
Digital pass. Okay. So, why do you think Facebook is keep changing? Why? Okay. If you don't, we'll give it some time, and then, yeah. Thank you. Good to see you. Good to see your message. Okay, we are talking about Facebook for those who are joining new. We are talking about Facebook for business. Okay, what is it?
How to use Facebook effectively for business?
Okay, to keep up with today's demand. Correct.
Yeah,
So, yes.
true.
See, now initially, Gary Vaynerchuk, tells exactly right. Every platform is good. Marketer come and ruin it. Marketers come and ruin it. That is true, right? Platforms are really good, but we, as marketers, we go on spam. That is what is happening. But however, let us talk a little bit. It was EdgeRank. Now, everybody is talking that the business page, the reach is getting lower and lower, and some of them quit Facebook.
Okay.
But I think still Facebook is powerful, and I mean in our case we saw and we are seeing significant amount of reach.
Organic reach.
Exactly.
Organic reach.
Organic reach. That is correct. So we're going to give some tips on how to do Facebook for business and how to keep that organic reach much more higher. However, now, because why it has changed is, one, the reason is Facebook wants to get better. It wants to get better because otherwise we would not use Facebook. So they want to reduce the spam. That is number one.
Okay.
Bottom line, because in the recent research, it was like we are using Facebook and LinkedIn as our personalized news source.
Yes.
We go to Facebook, and tell me I go to Facebook for news source, right?
Yes.
So somebody's.
So the first thing we wake up and do is,
Yes,
watch
tell me
it.
about Facebook ads. It has to stay in business. Yes, correct. Yes, only then, right? So, okay, organic Facebook or not organic? No, what is?
The FB ads are not organic.
What is that? Organic being. So, okay, they only press Periscope
In
in
India.
Who? We
This
are.
is the only Periscope in India. Good for
Good.
us.
That's good. We are going to do daily shows though.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
So thank you for the heart, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the hearts. We appreciate it.
Yes, I think see, we are giving this show
Thank
not
you.
for anything else but for you, to provide value to you. So your feedback and your hearts and everything is what encourages
Really
us.
important. Really
Right?
important.
And that helps us to see that people are watching.
Yes.
Okay, we need to know. Alright,
So
good.
continue.
So Facebook is changing because a lot of people started to say yes. Okay.
I'm sorry,
Now we are going to people. The community, can you block somebody if you see some bad comments or something like that? Please help us out. All right. Can you block somebody? All right. Who can block it? Because we are going to come up with some good content that is going to be useful for you. Of course, we will have some fun at the same time. This is going to be important. Yes. Yes, you can block. Please block. Yes. All right.
Thank you.
The spammers are not encouraged. Correct. Good. Okay. So, what are we talking about? Two things. One.
So we're talking
Block.
about Facebook.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you. So we talked about two things. One is Facebook wants to be get better
Yes.
at everything, so they want to fine tune their system. So the edge rank, the algorithm, they keep on changing that, which is one of the reasons. Second, Facebook is public. They want to make money, right? Now the reach, organic reach, definitely has declined, but there is a reason for it. These are two main reasons, but there are other reasons to it. But this one, to make it better, is one, and of course they want to make money, right? They want to show to the shareholders that we want to make money. This is a public company, so they move. If you want your content to be discovered by others, you want to boost, right? You want to boost.
Yes,
So,
absolutely.
so these are a couple of reasons, main reasons that why Facebook reach everybody talks about. But we see still Facebook is the number one referral source.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
Okay. So,
And no,
tips.
we're not even talking about Facebook ads, right?
Correct.
We're
So-
talking about all organic.
No, so we are going to do a mix of
Of both.
organic
As in,
and
right now, we were talking about
Organic, correct,
right?
yes.
So it's still the best medium to reach people out.
No, you need to do a combination.
Okay.
Okay, so organic and sponsor. So it is not ad actually, it's sponsored or boost.
Sponsored, yeah.
Boost.
So you boost
Correct.
your content, basically.
Okay.
Okay.
So are you ready for tips?
Yeah.
Any questions?
Yeah. Before we start, any questions?
Alright. So number one, understand the algorithm. That is, today's, if you try to spam the system, Facebook is going to block you, or maybe, if a lot of people complain, or see how Facebook works, it looks at how many people are scrolling, and then good to get the information on the way home. Very good. Thank you. Waiting for your tips. Okay. So when we scroll, what Facebook does is, it also looks at while we are scrolling in the Facebook, then somebody stops here. That means this piece of content, instead of, because that is how we do, right? We just
Yes.
scroll up
We
and
just-
down.
yeah.
But if somebody stops here for a few seconds, because normally the speed of the scrolling is like this, and all of a sudden they stop here for a few minutes or a few seconds. So this piece of content is good.
Yes. So they get a view.
Yes. So this piece of content, whomever is producing, is going to get more reach
Okay.
every time, or maybe most of the time.
So I view a post, so that will be probably being shown to more people. Is that what you're telling?
Yes. So the next time, Facebook knows that this piece of content is useful for the user because they spent more time just there's a pattern, right? They scroll down, but all of a sudden they stop at this point, and then there
spend
is
more time on that
correct.
post. Okay.
So that means that piece of content. So it gives good boost next time that person who was posted. Those kinds of content will be much more shown.
Okay.
Okay, you got it?
Yes.
So that's number one tip.
That was number one.
Yes.
And the number two.
And number two is so understand the algorithm. So that is number one. Number two, definitely Facebook reach used to be big. Now it was 6% for a business page. So there are two things. One is your personal page, and this one is your business page. So strongly recommend business page. Strongly, because there are lots of other things that you can do in a business page that you cannot do in a personal page.
So can you tell us some differences between a personal page and a
see, now when you upload or when you share a link, for example, in your personal page, you cannot customize that image.
Yes.
Okay, it will take that link from that particular. But however, in the pages, you can actually change that image.
So are you telling when I give a link of the website in a post,
correct,
the image that comes up is customizable in a business page?
In a business page, yes.
Okay.
And
so
then
I think I understand Facebook algorithm.
Start a business page. This is different from your own profile. Yes, that is correct.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So your profile page is different from your
personal profile page is different from your business profile.
Yes. So there is a lot of other advantages. You can have call to actions.
Yes.
And see, the boost post is only for business.
Yes.
Okay. So it is not for personal. So if you come up with the content and you want to try to boost, it works only for business page.
Only for business. Okay. So that is another difference.
Correct. So those are some of the advantages of having this thing. And which tip is this? Third one. Install Facebook app in your mobile. There's a lot of things that you can do in Facebook. So typically what we do is from our profile we go and share if we have a Facebook page from the mobile.
Yes.
But there is an app specifically for Facebook pages.
Are you saying that instead of a Facebook app you have
there's a separate standalone app which is for Facebook pages app.
So Facebook pages app, that is what it's called.
Yes.
Okay.
So download that one in your mobile. But is the app good enough? Yes, it is good enough because there you can do a lot of things. Thank you for sharing. You can do a lot of other things in that app, like if you can upload some videos separately from there. Otherwise, you will have to upload to your profile and then you go and share in there.
Yes.
So there's a lot of features that is not available in your profile.
So on a desktop version?
No, even in the mobile version. Okay, I'm talking about personal Facebook app.
Okay.
And then business app. Pages app.
Pages app.
Two things. One is your regular Facebook app.
Yes.
That also you can interact in your business page. But if you install Facebook Pages app, that's giving a lot of features. Like for example, I can upload a video and I can do some scheduling and I can do a lot of things in the Facebook Pages app. Okay. So that's number
3.
Number 3, Facebook app. Thank you. You're welcome. Please do share it if you find it interesting.
Yeah, please do share it and thank you so much for the arts.
Yes, it means a lot.
Yeah,
especially for Bhavna.
It really encourages because this is like the first time.
And Bhavna is telling, how can we do it? And we were thinking, how can we do it? But this is going to help us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
So going on to our fourth tip.
Now, fourth tip is upload video, guys. Upload videos. Take a lot of videos because see, we've seen that I've been evangelizing video in India for a long time. Okay. So there's a lot of people they're shying away from video. I don't know why. That's because maybe the culture, maybe we are shy and we want to be perfect. We talked about this one, right?
Yes, absolutely. So there are different types of videos you can create as well. If you're really shy and you can't make a video, a live video, you can as well take pictures and make a creative video.
Yes, you can talk. Don't focus yourself in your camera if you're shy.
Please
just
show
something and then talk about it. That is going to be fun. Now there is a reason why I'm telling use videos.
Yeah.
Okay.
Obviously, live streaming is in right
Yes.
now.
See, why Periscope is becoming huge, because it is video, and try to adapt video content. I know it's not easy, we are shy, but if you utilize that, you're going to stand out. Okay, attracted to visual content, and maybe they remember better, of course.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Right, so invest some time. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Do you think that we are
practice.
perfect?
Even if you're like really shy or something, practice.
So don't even practice. We want.
And forget about practice. Show something. If you're probably writing down something, you can point the camera towards what you're writing, and you can do a video like that. Yeah, absolutely.
Right.
So
yeah.
just go out there and do a video, and it really takes a lot to come on the camera and do something.
Yeah, that's
that
great.
itself is like really appreciated.
It's courage. I mean, it's so. Now, see, do you think that we are perfect now?
Absolutely not.
Right. Good tip, encouraging. Thank you. So we are not perfect, right? I mean, we were like, how are we going to do it? Brave. Yeah, thank you. More videos.
Hashtag brave.
Yes. Hello, Suresh. Brenda from Florida. Hey, Brenda. How are you?
Brenda.
Thank you. So, what is it? We are not perfect, but do you think you are trying to find any fault from us? Of course, there are lots of faults from us. The way we talk, the way
even if you do mistakes, you learn from it, and not just you. Probably others will learn from you as well.
And you don't care about what mistakes you do. All you care is about the content, correct? So don't worry about what others
mistakes.
Yes,
Yeah.
we make mistake. What the big deal?
Exactly. So I'm at
HPS Live in Florida, correct? Thank you. Thank you, Brenda. How are you doing? Good. So we met in heroic public speaking. That's what Brenda was talking about. For those, this is another additional tip. For those who wants to be good in public speaking, awesome. Nice to see you. Thank you. Who wants to be good in public speaking, I would strongly recommend Michael Port. Michael Port, heroic public speaking. I mean, it changed everybody's life. I mean, the way we communicate, the way we do public speaking. So that's another additional tip apart from the Facebook tip.
Yes.
Go and follow Michael Port. I'll share that one in my Facebook too. Michael Port or Heroic Public Speaking. So please check it out. Michael Port is awesome. Thank you, Brenda. That reminded.
the native video.
So use videos. I mean, it could be short videos. Doesn't matter. Now, what we are doing is we are going to take this and maybe we are going to repurpose this content too, because this is going to be there.
Yes.
So you can do multiple things. Take a video. That video can go as an audio. For example, you can rip off the video audio. For example, what we are discussing.
It can go as a podcast.
It can go as a podcast.
Yes.
You can transcribe it and come up with a blog post.
Yes, and you can make a short video.
Exactly.
And put it on Vine, Instagram.
Yes. Yeah, you can take the same thing and you can put 15 seconds in Instagram, right?
Yes.
And it's a teaser. And Twitter you can use. So what we did now was, before we started the show, we just did a simple selfie.
Preview.
Yeah.
A preview of what we are
a
doing.
teaser, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So that because the views are much more. Keep in mind, better than text.
Yeah.
Better than images, right? Why? Because you get this big timeline.
Something interesting.
Yes. No, it takes a lot of space in
Space,
Facebook,
right.
right? And then there is a huge button, play
Yes,
button,
yes.
right? So it's much more. We tend to watch videos. So watch videos. Do not share YouTube videos.
Yes.
Because keep in mind, Facebook and YouTube is competitors. So.
So create videos.
That is called native videos.
Videos.
So you create videos and upload it to Facebook.
Yes.
Okay? Upload it to Facebook. So the views are much more, and that too, especially this is new. Not many people are doing it. So if you start to do videos, you're going to have that first mover advantage.
Exactly.
Okay, everybody will get into video.
Absolutely.
I'm sure. And this tip is interesting. Okay, yeah, thank you. So
for everybody who's just coming, we're talking about Facebook for business. So
Yes.
Suresh is giving tips on how to use Facebook effectively for business.
Yes. Yeah, and when you upload in Facebook, right, you can do a lot of things. There is a title, description. You can have call to action. That is my another tip.
Okay, call to action.
You can have call to action in your video. Okay,
Yeah.
learn more, watch more, and then that can go to, see, imagine if you have a YouTube video, you have a channel, don't upload that. Upload one video in YouTube, in Facebook,
Yeah.
and you can say watch more and give a link to YouTube so that
It
they
links to your website.
it links to YouTube.
YouTube, okay.
So you have several videos in YouTube.
Okay, so it helps you, get views for your other videos as well.
From Facebook to YouTube.
YouTube,
Getting
okay.
there. Because
Okay.
see, I created cooking videos. I have around 20 videos about cooking.
Okay,
right?
talking about the cooking
Right?
videos.
So if I want to, because that I created in 2008, and that is there in YouTube.
Yeah.
So now I cannot change, and I don't want to do it. So
I know.
in that case, I am going to give YouTube video is better than Facebook video. No, I would not say. Both has got its own advantages. So what we typically do is, see, now one more advantage of YouTube videos are, now I can do search engine optimization.
Yeah.
Is this paid ad? No. Even in normal YouTube, normal Facebook video, you can do it. It's not only for paid. It's when you upload, you get all these options. So that is one thing. So to answer that question, YouTube, if you want to do search engine optimization, because this Facebook videos might not be crawlable by Google.
Yes.
So what I do is, I might upload it in Facebook and in YouTube, both places.
Yes.
Why? Because Facebook is more reach, and then this is a evergreen. YouTube is evergreen.
Absolutely.
So I'm going to optimize. I'm going to do SEO for it. Organic. Call to action is what you want your viewers upon viewing your videos. Yes.
That's
So
call to action.
yes, for those who know call to action, once the video plays, you can have call to actions, read more or watch more videos. That is a call to action.
That is a call to action.
And you can give a link.
Yeah, which you can link to your YouTube
Or website.
your website.
Anything.
Anything, yeah.
Right.
And that is another advantage for SEO, right?
Correct. So YouTube is another. So I would do both.
Okay.
So
So-
after a while, I'll do both. Yeah. Link to your website. Correct.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes. So I will do Facebook and YouTube.
And YouTube.
And I can take this one and use the teaser in Twitter, because Twitter 30 seconds video
30
you can
seconds,
have.
yeah.
And in Instagram also I can, because see, when you upload it in Instagram and Twitter, the advantage is you don't have to start right from the beginning. You can move that and then rip off right from the middle. So it's
Yes.
not like same thing that you're
Same
posting
thing.
in.
So and teasers really it's very interesting, right? That really grabs somebody's attention and they want to see what's more in the video.
Exactly.
So you get them on different mediums.
Correct.
You upload a video on Instagram and they just see a short video and they want to see what more happened.
Exactly.
They'll probably go to your Facebook or YouTube
Correct.
and check more.
Will Facebook work for B2B? Of course.
Absolutely.
See, let us understand B2B, B2C doesn't matter. At the end of the day, your business, whether it's B2B, B2C, you're going to talk to me. I am the one who's going to buy, not a robot. Keep
Yeah,
that in mind.
yeah.
So, where these
So
people
even
are hanging
behind
out,
the business, there are people.
yeah, ultimately you want your service or business or product or services to be used by a human. I am a human being and I use Facebook. So, we go there. Simple.
Yeah. So that was our
Fourth
fourth
tip.
tip.
Okay.
Moving on to our fifth tip.
First tip. Okay.
Any questions, guys?
Okay, cool. Thank you. Any other questions?
If you have any questions, please.
Please do. Okay, so we just going to keep on moving and we'll answer the questions too. How many of you know there is a scheduling feature when you post,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So especially in the Facebook pages, if you go and you can schedule it, status update, you can post
Schedule
a
it.
video or a picture.
So
You
can you tell us what exactly scheduling a post means?
See, when you publish something, your status update, you're sharing something, you want to publish it now.
Okay.
That's what you do. You just go hit publish. If you click on publish, next to that there's a button where you can say you can schedule.
Okay. So I'm in the morning going through my page and I want to I want a post to go on in the evening.
Correct.
So I schedule it to the
Yeah,
evening.
correct. See, now I have 10 videos.
Okay.
Okay, I uploaded one time in my Facebook page app.
Okay.
10 videos I upload. The drop down arrow near the publish button.
Absolutely.
Correct.
Yes, that's
Right.
That's right.
So I upload 10 videos and I don't want all 10 videos to go today.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes.
So what I'm doing is this 10 videos I'm scheduling it for 10 days.
Okay, but aren't there disadvantages
What?
even in that?
What?
Because probably sometimes it's not appropriate. You
For
just
what?
schedule
Hmm.
and imagine something wrong happens.
Yeah, that you need to be careful, of course.
Okay, so,
It's
so even if you're scheduling something, you have to monitor it.
exactly. It's not. Thank you. I was not aware of it. Welcome. So yeah, keep an eye on it. We always do not recommend scheduling. We will because it tends if something wrong happens, some
But
tragedy
you can
happens.
always
yeah.
schedule but monitor it,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So always keep an eye on those things. But you can schedule again if it is evergreen content, nothing wrong. And I'm just going instruction
So
video.
you're doing
and-
content then as well.
Yeah. So if I'm going to give instructional video, nothing wrong. Right?
Yes,
It doesn't matter. Nothing. happens.
Absolutely.
So you can schedule these 10 videos, and that will go at the same time. Or see, and I did a test. I did some test with the scheduling feature. What I did was I tried to schedule 2 or 3 different timings. So I uploaded 3 videos in different timings, 7 o'clock and 7 p.m. and I can see whether there is people are watching. The reach is much more higher in 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Or I did it in the early morning, not early morning, 10:30 a.m.
Okay.
So I want to test. So
What
this,
time is working?
correct,
Yeah.
but this I can do because of this scheduling feature, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I have to sit down and
Every now and then you have to keep
yes.
doing it.
So that's a good way to
That's
test.
a really good tip.
Yes. So you can test out the schedule. You can test out 2 different things. You can use it for testing.
Yes.
Does timing of posting on your business page matters? Yeah. Yes.
Absolutely.
But it depends. It depends upon.
Your target audience.
Yes, this feature should be helpful for marketing in different time zone. Exactly.
Yeah,
Time
exactly.
zone too.
Exactly
Thank
what I
you.
was talking
Very
about.
good. See,
So
awesome.
it all depends on who your target audience is, what location are they from.
Yes.
So
So we need to test it out because see in India, and especially in Bangalore, this can be customized. I mean, because people from Bangalore are stuck in traffic. By the time 7 o'clock, they are in traffic,
yeah, absolutely.
right? But if you schedule it at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, we have enough time. So think about how you go to Facebook and use them. What time do you use? And if your target audience in the same city, I think that is the right time because
Yeah.
we are stuck in traffic. We cannot watch video in traffic.
In traffic.
So you have to test and see and then work it out accordingly.
yeah, absolutely.
Okay?
So you test and run.
Correct.
That's what you do.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, so good. Thank you for inviting, sharing. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
And the
Thank you
hearts.
for the hearts as well.
Okay, how many now?
So coming down to tip number 6.
Okay, tip number 6. Before tip number
6.
For those international audience who are watching, how many of you are international? Not from India. How many of you from international? I just want to see how many of you are from out of India. Because I'll tell you why, and there's a tip for it.
This is a tip only for the international audience.
Can you recap, please? Can you?
Yes, absolutely. Quickly,
Okay.
we'll probably quickly
Quick,
tell what
what
5
5
things.
things,
Okay,
yes.
so we're talking about Facebook for business.
Business.
For business, and these are some of the tips for effective use of Facebook for business.
Yes.
So yeah, the number 1 tip.
Number 1 tip: understand. Morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. Number 1 is what? Understand Facebook algorithm. So it was ignorant. Oh, by the way, this is an additional tip. This is an additional tip. Apart from that, if you want to find information about Facebook latest algorithm, where you go is Facebook newsroom. So they don't have a
That's
blog.
Facebook
It
newsroom.
was blog. So everybody gets their the latest updates
Algo-
from there.
Okay.
Facebook
Okay.
newsroom.
Okay.
Facebook newsroom is where they link
Link
please. Can somebody? So I actually can't link it from here. But if you
Probably
just do a
the-
Google search,
Yeah.
and the community can help. Can somebody give a link if anybody is in the desktop or watching that? No, desktop they can't give. Okay, so,
So that is-
newsroom for Facebook newsroom,
Newsroom.
right?
Okay.
Facebook newsroom.
Facebook newsroom. That
You
was
can
the first tip.
you can give the tip.
So the second tip.
What was
Second
it?
tip was videos.
No.
Create videos.
Yes.
Create videos. Not your YouTube videos, but your own videos. That is
Is it
Facebook newsroom.
Is it correct or I am holding it up?
No, you're fine.
Facebook newsroom. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. So, what else? Number one, understand Facebook algorithm, and you can go do all those things. And we talked about Facebook being a personalized news search
Yes.
engine.
Yes.
So you go to Facebook to get news.
So
to
every
consume.
morning, I'm sure a lot of people wake up and the first thing they see is their Facebook.
Yes.
They go through their timeline.
Correct.
And
Yeah. So on this, okay, this beats everything. All right. So think if you're a business, think about your target audience. What kind of news that they want to consume?
yeah, absolutely. What value?
Yes. So it is becoming more and more personalized news channel. So think about what news and value you can have. Understand this thing. So native, we were talking about videos. Upload native videos. That is not link sharing from other YouTube, but actually uploading videos to.
Creating your own videos.
Correct.
And share them.
Correct. So that is third tip. Fourth tip was add call to actions in
Your video.
videos. So when you upload, you can have title, description, and then location, and you can actually tag people too. So that's another tip. Add tag people too, and then you can actually add a call to
When you
action.
tag people, the number of views increase. Right?
Yes, yes.
So then your reach increases basically.
Also
But doesn't mean
hashtag.
spam and
Yes.
everybody.
Everybody correct. Yeah, a hashtag also. Try to use hashtag
Absolutely.
and use location. You can use location where it is taken from.
And you use the now, like if you're listening to a podcast, you use the listening to
Oh,
podcast.
that's another tip. That's
Yeah,
going to come.
absolutely.
That is
Okay, that's another tip. So we'll talk about it later.
Okay, so 6 we got it. So use call to actions. Thank you so much, guys. This would surely have helped all the guys who joined in late too.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for giving us, to
Thank you
recap.
for the feedback. It's really
Here on,
encouraging.
but also put some more text describing that video. Yes. Does that help? Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
No. Sharing YouTube video link will not help much because see, it's a competition. Facebook and YouTube is competition.
But you can do that as well.
You can do.
It's nothing bad to do that, but also create your own videos.
Yes. No.
In
See,
addition to
why
that-
we are telling that one is Facebook gives importance to natively uploaded video, not a link shared in YouTube.
Oh.
So this gives more, and Facebook will show more of this reach. The reach would be much more
Much
higher
better for the native
than
videos?
the YouTube.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Got it? Okay. So good. Thanks for
For the questions.
for the questions and telling us to recap. That's a good one. Okay, so we talked about scheduling feature. That's the next
Yeah.
feature that we talked about.
Yeah.
So now before that we talked about Facebook Pages app. That's a separate application for your mobile and iPad and tablet.
For all the business.
Correct. For all the business. See, I have like 10 different pages,
Okay.
but I can manage all 10 of them in that
one app.
Yes.
That's really great. Apart from your personal
Yes.
Facebook app.
Correct.
This is just for the business.
Correct. So one is we have our regular Facebook application where we can interact.
Okay.
Meet. So the another one is separate called Facebook Pages app.
So
There
it's
you can
Facebook Pages app.
Correct.
Okay.
Alright.
So moving on to the next tip.
Okay, so-
Scheduling.
Scheduling, yeah. So you have to. So in that, especially in that app, we can schedule it. Even in the desktop, you can schedule it. When you go and hit publish, the status update, there's a small icon. If we click on it, there will be schedule. So try to schedule it. You can. We were talking about how we can actually test out two different multiple videos on different timings. Which timings work. So we were talking about that. So Let
So
us
this will really help if your target audience are from two different
time zone. That was
Yeah.
given by our users.
One of the
Yes,
users,
very
yes.
good for that tip. So everybody is giving, not only we are giving, they are giving. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
And thank you for the heart, guys. Keep
Right.
it coming.
Okay. So another
The
thing,
next one.
talking about video. So the title is important, not only for video,
Mhm.
for anything that you post,
Okay.
anything that you share, something important, right?
Yes.
Anything that you share for business, your title is one of the most important
Absolutely,
things.
absolutely.
Okay, think about the title. What kind of title you're going to work on? Use hashtags in there in the title.
Okay.
Okay, and then in that there is, yesterday we tested. What is that? We listening to. Yes, man. Good. The tips interesting. Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
in that the status update it will say listening to or
Listening to.
watching.
Yeah, that is really helpful, right? Because
Yes.
it's more catchy. According
Correct.
to me, it's more catchy. So these are some of these small things that you could do to improvise your post.
Correct. It is, see, organically it has gone down, but we are trying to reach. And then
Okay.
that's a call to action too. Correct.
Yes. Yes.
So this title, you know what? Maybe it is. Okay. By the way, there was a call came in. I got switched off. Click.
Please let us know if you guys
Are watching live
us.
because there was a call came
Hear
in.
us.
Yes. Can you interact? Can you see us live?
Tap on your screen or comment.
Yes, okay,
Okay.
good.
So,
Okay, so the title you're going to add,
Mhm.
use something like feeling. I'm feeling happy or something like that.
Yeah.
So that is going to help because we saw when we added that one, there's a little bit of difference.
The reach was better.
Better. Reach
The
was
reach
better.
was better. Yeah.
Okay, that one. And then see title and then what pictures, tagging, and then write some
Picture.
description. Description it can be a lengthier like a blog post. That's fine. You know, it will be interesting because right now we see there are a lot of people who are having. Before it was one liner,
One line, yeah.
Now it is lengthier post. So you even they're like people are writing like a blog post. So
Yeah.
it's okay to write a lengthier post so people
But
can
make it interesting.
Exactly.
Make it interesting. Make it entertaining.
Yeah.
And
So-
use hashtags.
Correct. Use
Right?
hashtags. Yes. And then we did yesterday. 2 days back we tried. Sejal, me, and you tried this
Yes.
one. Docs. Google give importance to
Importance to-
description. See, there are two different things we are talking about. One is YouTube. Yes. Facebook, no, because it is not.
Yeah.
Sometimes it might not be crawlable, but it is always good to have description. Yes. Keep in mind if Facebook will not allow the Google crawler to crawl all the entire content of that. So, but it is good for description. Please do add descriptions. Yes. So what are we talking about?
Title.
Yeah, title, description, and then tags, and then geo.
Tags.
Geo target like your location. You can
Yeah.
also have that location. So we saw that and we uploaded it and we changed the picture. Actually, we shared a link.
So this is another thing. So in the business page, when you upload a link, it's customizable.
Correct.
Right?
That picture can be customized. That's what we did.
Yes,
yesterday.
absolutely. Absolutely.
Right? So we changed the picture and we had an interesting picture. So we shared a description. If you go to Web Marketing Academy Facebook page, facebook.com/webmarketingacademy, you will see that the recent post about podcasting got almost 4,000 reach. I mean, typically it will be 300, 500, but we got 4,000 reach. Organic mostly. 500, I boosted a little bit. We got 500
But there was
out of
only
it.
500.
500, but the
Yeah.
organic was much more higher than the ads.
Absolutely.
Right.
So some of the small things we did there, like hashtags,
Correct, the
and
picture.
like tagging, and
Listening to podcast.
and then customized our picture. So these
Then,
are some of the things
yes.
that helped us get the organic reach. Right?
Exactly, yeah.
So,
So see, 3,500. It's a huge reach
It's
for
huge
just
reach,
a
absolutely.
yeah. So we got that one. So check it
Thank
out.
you for the shares
Thank you,
and
thank
hearts,
you,
guys. Thank you.
Okay, shall we move on? That's the 7th trip, right?
That's the 8th tip.
Okay.
So I've lost the count.
Okay,
now.
so
let's
how
move
many?
on.
How many count? 7 or 8?
Anybody counting? How many counts? How many tips have we given out?
Okay, my next tip. Okay, my next tip is you know, Facebook likes interaction. So, for example, seven, I think. Okay, that's fine. We have more. So, Facebook, what it does is when you go and interact, when somebody comments in your
Yes.
update.
So
When you go and share, I mean, you go and interact, Facebook likes that.
yeah. So again the reach is increasing when somebody they converse with the
Correct. And especially the producer, though it is like the producer is the person who created the content.
Yes.
Okay. So if like it could be Web Marketing Academy Facebook page, because when you post it, it will tell you posting as Web Marketing Academy.
Yes.
So from there, if you post it, you interact. It doesn't have to be a profile. It can be just
a page. Yes.
So if that particular person interacts with them, gives the comments, Facebook likes it.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so now take that one and try to interact on a not every time. So here's the trick, guys. If you get 10 comments from your friends liking it, even like and commenting on that matters. So do one thing. Instead of replying to them on a right at that moment,
Okay.
have some intervals.
Have some interviews.
So
And the advantage
respond
of
to first person maybe now,
Okay.
and leave 1 or 2 hours after that. Respond to the second person.
Okay. So what does this do?
So this, what happens is Facebook understands, okay, there is some interaction. So that when you comment, this will boost more. This will get more.
So
Its reach is getting more higher and higher.
That is great. Correct.
I mean, why is that?
Why
That is
that?
because that is how Facebook algorithm works.
That is how Facebook likes that.
Yes,
right?
Facebook likes that because you are interacting and
That's
that person is
understanding the algorithm. We come
Correct.
back to a
first
one.
step. Yes. So when you do that, so what happens is, have you seen sometimes when you scroll, you would have seen one update.
Yes.
After a few times, the update will come on top.
Yes, absolutely.
That is because of this.
Okay.
The more comment and interaction, it comes on top.
The more interaction to the post,
Yes.
the more popularity it gets.
Correct.
Okay.
So what you do is, instead of responding to everybody at the same time, respond to 1 or 2% at the first time,
Okay.
and then leave it a couple of hours. Then come
So
back.
this is a trick, guys.
Yes, this
So-
is a trick.
So note
Trick.
down.
Yeah. So this is not a tip; it's a trick. Does this happen on a company page? Of course. Yes. So one time you go on and interact, and leave some time on a regular, maybe 2 hours, and after that, after 3 or 4 hours, you go and respond to 3 or 4 people, and then even a like.
Okay.
Somebody commenting like is an interaction. It would be much more better if you reply to that person.
Okay. Perfect.
Got it?
Yes.
Got it? Okay. How many? 8 is over.
Yeah, the ninth one. The ninth tip.
Facebook dark. This is ad. This is not organic. Facebook dark post.
Dark post.
Dark.
Dark post.
Like
Yes.
no light.
So dark.
Yeah.
DARK post.
Yes. Okay. Or unpublished post.
Facebook unpublished post.
This is an ad. Unpublished or
Dark post.
Okay. This feature you will get it only in Chrome. Unpublished or dark post. Dark post. Okay. This is in Power Editor in.
So
By the way, that is also another one. If you are going to advertise, use the Power Editor.
Yeah.
It has got a lot of features. In this, one of the features is Power Editor.
Power Editor is
Yes.
a tool.
Yeah, it is a Chrome. It actually works in Chrome. So if you go to log in with Chrome, you will see Power Editor. Yes. What is Power Editor? Power Editor is an advanced feature of Facebook
Advertisement.
Yes.
So there are a lot of things you can do. You can
Yes.
create ads. You can analyze. You can.
Yes. So there are lots of other things that you can do in Power Editor. It gives a lot of control for you.
So this is for the paid ads, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Power Editor
This is for
the
paid.
ads.
Even unpublished post is for paid. Dark post and unpublished is the same. What it does is basically, I have a business page
Okay.
and I don't want to share. I want to create a separate ad. In Chrome for Facebook paid ad. It's an add-on. Yes.
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 It's an add-on.
Once you log in into Chrome itself, you will see on the left hand side Power Editor. Now, what were we talking about? Yes, unpublished post is nothing but, see, I shared the podcast. Now I want to specifically target somebody,
Okay.
and if I go and share that again, what it will do? It will go as another post, duplicate post,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yes.
So I don't want to duplicate that. In unpublished or dark post, what you can do is you can go and create a status update,
Okay.
but it will not be published to your Facebook page.
Oh. Okay.
It will not be published to your Facebook page, but it will go as a sponsored ad to those whom you are targeting.
Okay.
You get it?
So yeah, can you brief about it again?
So, if you want to have two posts,
Okay.
typically if you go and share in Facebook, what happens? It becomes duplicate.
Yeah.
One on that is confusing. Okay, I'll explain to you. So this appears in my Facebook timeline. No, not.
This is not for the organic.
Yes, this is not for your organic. This is an ad. Okay, let me explain. Now, without publishing to my Facebook page, so we have Web Marketing Academy Facebook page.
Yes.
Without publishing anything there,
Mm-hmm.
I can create an ad. It looks like a status update.
Okay, but it's not.
It is not a status update because it is not published.
Okay.
It is not published in the Facebook page, but it will go. So it is like it will go as an ad to whom I am targeting.
So it's all it's saying is you create the same post like you usually, create, but it's not there on your Facebook page.
Exactly.
It just goes to your target
Audience.
Yeah, I got
Got
it.
it.
So did you guys get it?
Did you get it?
Any confusion?
So, okay. This is what comes as sponsored.
Yes.
So, yes, that is one of the reasons.
One of
Yes.
it, yes.
One of the thing, and of course, two things. So that will go on the timeline, right? It's you won't even notice it's a sponsor,
Yes, absolutely.
right?
Absolutely.
So and keep in mind, you can target specific people. That is the power of this
Absolutely.
post. You can target, for example, here is my target audience. I'll say, I write an article about why IIM Bangalore people should join digital marketing.
Yeah.
Okay, I write an article
Yes.
why IIMB people should join digital marketing,
Yes.
and I am targeting alumni of IIMB.
Okay. So how does that work? So you target pages.
No, when you interest.
Okay.
So IIMB people either join or they part of the group or they interacted. So or they mentioned we are an alumni of IIMB. So my education is IIMB, right?
Yes.
So I'm not one of the target audience. It will go only to me.
That's like perfect. That's what we want.
Perfectly, targeting
Okay.
options.
So
Okay.
these are some of the things
Things
that
that you
is
can do
really
in-
customizable in Facebook ads, right?
Dark post.
Dark post. Perfect.
Okay.
Any questions,
Alright.
guys?
See, we thought we'll do it only for 10 minutes, but it's going.
I was telling Suresh that we actually always think that we'll do it for 10 minutes, but it almost goes on
Yes.
for an hour.
Yes. So
So, yeah.
give us some hearts if you're
If you
watching,
like it,
if you're watching, or if you're even.
If it even makes sense.
Yes. Oh.
So, yeah. So moving
Alright.
on.
How many? 8, 9, 10.
10th tip.
Talking about ads. You can create.
I'm sorry,
I'm
am I?
No, please,
No,
please
please do ask
Yeah.
us questions.
Yes,
We
we will
would
see.
like questions. We would really like you asking us questions.
Yes, exactly.
That will encourage us.
That encourages
Keep
us,
Keep
so
asking
please.
questions, guys.
Talking about ads, the targeting option in Facebook is amazing.
Yeah.
There is some feature called lookalike audience.
Yes.
What is lookalike audience? You can, for example, if you have a database of 1,000 people,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Okay.
1,000 email address or phone number,
Okay.
okay. This 1,000 people email addresses you can go and upload in Facebook,
Okay.
and you can show my ad only to this 1,000 people.
Wow. So
Okay.
it actually tracks those 1,000
Yeah,
people.
because when you sign up, what do you sign up with? With your email or your phone
Email
number.
ID.
So
Yeah.
Facebook has got that data. So it will go only to those 1,000 people.
That's fantastic. So
Right.
guys, that is a really nice trick.
Yes. So that is custom audience. That is called custom
So
audience.
this is again for paid ads on
Paid
Facebook,
ads, correct?
right?
Paid ads.
Okay.
Now that is one thing. Now you can create this 1,000 people you targeting, right? You can create a lookalike audience. So this 1,000 people
Okay.
can multiply it into 10,000 people.
Okay. So
Huh.
lookalikes. So whatever their behavior pattern is, so Facebook tracks.
Yeah.
Same.
So let me give you an example.
Okay.
So I'm targeting you,
Okay.
and you are in that list.
Okay.
Okay. Now Facebook also finds out similar to Bhavna who are all the same people. So
Okay.
what is her age group? What are her interests? Where is she working? So it tracks and gives 10 people like 10 Bhavnas here.
Okay.
10 more.
Perfect. Perfect. That's your 10 more of your target audience.
Exactly.
Perfect. So.
So based on your this thing, so similar to your profile, there are 10 more other profiles.
Okay.
So now with this 1,000 profile, I can target like 100,000 people.
Yeah. And that's all your target audience.
Yes.
Mostly, right?
And you can target, of course, pinpoint and say people who are interested to
Age
custom audience,
and then
everything.
whatever.
Yes.
The demographics and location.
Yes.
Yeah. So moving on.
Okay, that was 9.
Yeah. A 10th.
Yes.
If you have any questions, please ask us.
Yes. Now my next tip is if you're trying to boost. So in Facebook page, you can actually boost. That means you give a status update, and you can actually advertise to boost.
So
What do you mean by boost is you are actually telling Facebook to show this ad, of course, to your friends, because
So
the
the
Facebook reach is less than 1%.
yes.
So if you have 1,000 people, it not even go to 10 people. So if you want to reach out to those 1,000 people, you have to boost,
Boost it. So
pay.
this can be done for personal as well as
No,
business.
no, only for
this is
business.
only for business.
Only for
so
business.
this is exclusively only for the business.
That is why having a
Boost
business
work
page is advantage.
better. Okay.
Okay.
So
Um,
yeah, Boost
Boost
is
is
a paid.
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes.
Yeah.
See, it is not expensive. Like for example, for $5, which is 300 rupees or 500 rupees,
You can
reach several. I mean, it's good enough for 2 days. So it's like 100 rupees, 200 rupees. That is $2 per day. You can do it and boost it. So you can do it for 2 days, 4 days, or whatever. So it's just simple, but the reach will get much more higher.
So you're boosting your post.
Yes.
Reach.
Yes.
Right?
So to increase reach, you are going to boost it. But keep in mind, do not boost it the same time when you upload it. So I'm going and sharing
Yeah.
something right now. That is my tip.
So
Actually.
get your organic reach as
Reach.
much as you can.
Yes.
And then you boost your post.
Yes. That's not expensive. Exactly.
Yeah, it's not expensive at all.
Right.
So
So you finish off 1 day for organic reach.
So as many as days. I mean, probably you can keep.
No,
2.
if it is 2-3 days, then it becomes the momentum will
So
go.
you leave it 1 day.
1 day, let the organic reach,
Okay.
and the next day you go and boost it.
Okay, perfect.
Okay?
So yeah.
Sounds good? Okay.
Thanks for the hearts, guys.
Thank you, thank you.
So
Okay.
yeah, so our 11th tip.
Okay, so we're done with 10.
10.
Okay. So
Try to start
a business page and I can't see.
I'm sorry.
Can you
Read that.
repeat it? Can you send it back again because we could not see it?
So
Okay.
anyway.
So my 11th conversion tracking. There is a tracking code if you advertise. Facebook will give you a conversion tracking code. So actually, it's a piece of code. You take that code and then put it in your website. Actually, you can track return on investment, how much you're spending, and how much returns you're getting, how many people are buying. So you can put a value to it. For example, you can say people who come from Facebook and if they buy or become a lead, I can give them, they are worth 500 rupees or 5,000 rupees. So you can define their pricing. So the cost, that means you can measure your return on investment.
So basically, you're analyzing.
Correct.
I mean,
From which ad people are coming, what they are doing,
Okay.
and everything that we
Okay.
analyze. This is conversion tracking.
So analyzing is really
Yes.
important, guys.
Try to start and it asked for my government ID card. Is this not?
Government ID card.
No.
What kind of business page where
Okay,
you're trying
see,
to
probably if your account has been banned or something, maybe they might ask.
maybe.
Otherwise they will not. You don't need to
I
have.
mean, we have created business
Yes,
pages.
you don't need to
and,
create. Maybe because if you're a public or maybe something like a government, if you're going to claim, then they might. But for normal, see, there are different categories.
What business page was it?
New account, but which category? For clothing, I don't think so. So there are categories. You have to pick and choose. So local, is it a local business? It is a non-profit. So you have to pick and choose. If you would have picked government or anything, then they would have asked. But for normal things, you don't need to. Okay, moving on.
This is a 12th tip.
Yes.
We're supposed to give 10
I know.
tips, right?
So this is
really
additional.
great.
So if you can give me some more hearts, we'll give you more.
So yeah,
Right?
probably you give us more hearts and
Yeah.
we'll give you more tips.
Yes.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Yeah.
So 12th tip.
The 12th tip is.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
For the hearts.
So you can actually in the pages page you can have specific call to actions in the tab. That tab can be customized.
Okay, so what
So in the time you have your profile picture on the left.
Yes.
And then there is a big header image.
Yes.
And then there is about
Yes,
and all this.
yes,
That tab can be customized.
Okay, what all can be?
So you can add videos, you can add contact us and give a contact us page and a link. So
Okay.
this is your header. You can have a contact. So go to Web Marketing Academy page, you can see a contact us tab
So
about
please.
videos.
Okay.
So this could be a link to your website.
So it's customizable.
Yes. This one
So
could
that's
be
your
a link.
header.
Yes. This could be a link to your contact us page.
Okay.
So people can from there they can contact you.
Contact you, or you can give out your details, your
Yes.
website details,
Correct.
and your description and things like that.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Perfect.
Alright. So I got more, but we keep it for the life.
Yeah.
One more.
We will do another session
Yes.
probably on.
I think yeah. How long was the session?
I lost account. I
Okay.
lost account.
So we planned only to do 10 minutes. Okay. So
thank you everyone.
thank you.
for
We
being
really appreciate
patient
it. Yes.
And for all the questions and for all the arts.
Yes.
So,
And
yeah.
you please do follow us and thank you. You're welcome. Check out our Web Marketing Academy Facebook page. We will be scoping daily.
Yeah.
Daily scope, and
Daily
we need
scope,
some
yeah.
suggestions from you guys. What kind of
If you want us to do any specific
Any
topic,
Yes.
you can hashtag us.
yes daily
and
scopes.
Daily scopes.
Daily
Please
scopes.
hashtag us. Daily
Yes.
scopes, and we will do it for you.
Yes. By the way, you name anything. You name anything when it comes to digital marketing.
Even if it's not digital marketing.
Cooking also we can.
Yeah, cooking we will do. So yeah, so hashtag us and
Yes.
hashtag us about your suggestions, your feedback.
What would you like to see?
Yeah, and if you have any questions,
Yes, please let us know.
yeah, and thank you guys for tuning in today.
This is our information. Web
Yeah.
Marketing Academy. Oh, thank you, thank you. Who was that? Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And tomorrow we'll be here. And,
Yes, same. Around 7. See, we are trying to find out the timing and everything. It might take for a week for us to. We got 10 days or maybe.
somewhere around
Yeah.
7 or 8 India time.
Yes, India time 7 or 8 o'clock. Between 7 to 8 o'clock Indian Standard Time.
Okay. So yeah,
Alright.
thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Thank you for all the hearts and interaction.
Yeah.
We truly appreciate it.
And
This is Suresh from Web Marketing
And
Academy.
this is Bhavna.
That
We'll
is-
see you tomorrow.
Bhavna is a
Bye-bye.
good host, right? Co-host,
No.
right? Yes. So, see you guys.
See you guys
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Okay, somebody
Somebody
joined.
just
So
joined.
sorry, you will
Really
have to
sorry.
yes. So we will have to replay that.
We'll see you
Tomorrow
tomorrow.
we'll see you
Same
tomorrow.
time, same place. Bye bye.
Bye bye.